welcome back to my channel. So you can see there are some people around me, and yeah, we are going out today, guys. So you can see some new faces in this video. She is Kritika, she is Tejashwi. So all of them are my all of them are my sister's friends. Okay, even my friends also. So we are.
I like her more than her sister.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, we are going out today. Where are we going?
Nautanki Gully.
Yeah. So we are going to Nautanki Gully, guys, and
Enjoy.
so I thought of making a vlog. It's been so many days since I posted a video. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna show you what all we are going to do today.
Right now we are in camp.
Yeah, you can see how we are sitting in the cab, like adjusting. Yeah, yes. See what? Okay, so I'll see you guys once we reach. Bye. So guys, we thought of going to Nautanki Gully, but it's closed. We came late, guys, so bad luck. So guys, as I said, Nautanki Gully is closed, and we are going to United Kitchens of India, guys. We've already went there 2 days ago with Janvi, but we are going again. So yeah, see you there. So we booked the cab. The cab is here, and we are going now. So guys, I'll show you the cable bridge now. Guys, it will be nice at the night time. I'll also put the night view because I came here 2 days ago and I shot the night view. I'll put that also in this video. But now you can see this is the cable bridge. So guys, we just arrived to United Kitchens of India. So we are going in. And guys, there are so many people here, guys. When we came here 2 days ago, there was no one, right? After we came, many people came, but yeah. So guys, see, United Kitchens. So. Guys, here also I think so we are having some problem. Here also seats are full. We actually called before, but I don't think so. No, there's some problem. So we are waiting, guys. They're checking for a reservation.
I don't think we'll get any lunch today.
Yeah, I don't think we are gonna eat today. We'll go back empty stomach. I'm so hungry, guys, and it's 3:17. And guys, I did not even eat breakfast, and I don't think so we are gonna eat lunch today because it's like 3:17 and we did not have anything till now. We'll see, guys. It depends on our luck today. So guys, we are sitting outside here and we are planning to order some drinks. So till the time someone leaves, we'll just sit here and drink something because I'm so hungry and yeah, I have to eat something, guys. So guys, we are still waiting here and we did not order anything because they said some people are leaving. So we are still waiting for them to leave.
One eternity later.
Finally, guys, we are eating some food. So yeah, just now we
Eating yet, we didn't order.
yeah we are yeah nobody came. We are just sitting here. We have to order now, and I'm so hungry, guys. I'll die if I don't eat now. So I'll show you this place, guys. Isn't it cool? As I said, we came here 2 days ago and we came at night time and it's really nice. I'll put the clips when I took at that time. So yeah, we'll order something now, guys. We are planning to order some starters and some main course and some drinks. That's it. So guys, I tied my hair up because it's really irritating, so I tied my hair up. The food is coming, guys. We ordered so much. I don't think so we'll complete it. If we don't complete it, we'll take parcel. So yeah, guys, you might wonder, like, you've not seen my friends in my vlogs, but you've seen my sister's friends in my vlogs. I do go out with my friends, but not much. I just go rarely. Finally, our order is here. First, we started with the starters. And
You wanted chicken?
guys, our chili chicken is here. I hope you can see. So we'll eat, and our other starter will come here, and then we'll eat that. It's good, guys.
So guys, our kebab is here.
Guys, whoa, guys, it looks so good. So I think so we have to serve it ourselves, right? This is Apollo fish and this is kebab, what Malai kebab. So yeah, she doesn't want to eat non-veg, so she ordered some rolls for her. So yeah, here is the butter chicken. And here are the butter naan. Okay guys, see you guys after I eat everything, and our biryani is also here. I'll have that and I'll see you later. Guys, we just had our food. My stomach is full, and we got some food parceled. We don't want to waste that food, so we are taking it home. And our bill was like 4,050 rupees or something. And yeah, guys, we'll just sit here for some time and then we'll leave. We are planning to go to Forum. My mother's birthday is on 15th, and I like 5 days to go, guys. So I'm thinking to go to Zara and buy a bag for my mother. So let's see. We'll go to Forum now, and yeah. So guys, we are taking pictures here. We came out, and yeah. So we are waiting for the cab, and they are taking pictures over there. So yeah, guys, I had so much food, and now we are going to Forum. So yeah, guys, hopefully I'll find a very nice gift for my mom. And yeah, so when I took some pictures, guys, guys, I did not even comb my hair today. It looks so bad. And see her, like, we all are taking pictures, and she's carrying all our bags, masks and everything, guys. Now finally she's taking a picture. Guys, we came to Forum and we are going to Zara. As I said, we'll choose a birthday gift for my mom. Like, we are not sure what to buy, guys. If we didn't like anything, we'll order something. So yeah, we are thinking what to choose. Guys, is it nice? we didn't like anything in Zara, so we plan to get my mom and like tomorrow or day after tomorrow, so she can buy whatever she likes, and we will pay from our pocket money. So guys, we did not like anything, so we came to coffee day to drink coffee, guys. So after drinking the coffee, we'll leave. So Tejasvi and Kritika were waiting for us here. So yeah. We are gonna drink some coffee, guys. So guys, we are waiting here. Me and my sister ordered a hot chocolate and we are waiting for it to come. So yeah. So guys, this is the cappuccino and these three are hot chocolate for Tejasvi, my sister and me, and cappuccino is for Janvi. She already drank her latte. So yeah. So I'm gonna drink it and see you later. Bye bye. So guys, now we are heading out of Forum. Guys, we came back home. We are in Janvi's home now, and yeah, for now we don't know. I might stay here tonight or I might go to my house. So for now, yeah, guys. Kritika changed her dress. Hi. And yeah, it's a same shirt, but she changed the pant. Chetna and Janvi are down. They'll come after some time. So guys, I'm so tired. I tied my hair up. Yeah. Guys, this is Janvi's pet, and I'm so scared of pets, guys. So guys, as I said before, I'm gonna come again to Forum to buy my mother a gift. So guys, as I said before, I'm gonna come to Forum again to buy my mom a gift. So tomorrow is my mom's birthday, and today I came with my mom. Hi guys. I came with my mom here to buy her a gift. So I'm planning to buy her a bag from Zara. So yeah guys, I'm in Forum now, and I'll see you in Zara. So guys, we still did not go up yet. My mother is purchasing some earrings for her. So yeah guys, it will take some time for us to go to Zara. Yeah. So guys, this is my outfit today. Okay. I wore a simple outfit today. So guys, we are going to Zara now. This is my mom. So I'm gonna buy her a birthday gift with my money, guys. As I said before, pocket money. So guys, my mother did not like anything in Zara, so we'll go to another store and check if she likes anything over there. So let's go to another store. So guys, we are going to Aldo now. So let's see if we can find. Oh. So guys, I got my mom a bag from Aldo. So yeah guys, she took it, and I'll show you the bag when I go home. It's like 8,000 or something. So yeah, I gave her the birthday gift. So here is the gift. They are coming here. We're going to food court to eat some food now. So after eating, we'll go. And today morning, guys, and yeah guys, I forgot to tell you, there is something special about today because we are buying a new scooty. Yeah guys, so before coming to Forum, we went to get a new scooty. So it will be here after 2 hours. So not here, to my house. It will come to my house after 2 or 3 hours. So yeah. So guys, the handle is really pretty. See this guys, and it's from the brand Aldo. Yeah, it's so pretty guys. It's really good. It's like my mom's choice. And yeah, so I'll show you how is the storage of it. So So here we have, there's a lot of storage in this, guys. There's so much space, and we can also use it like a sling bag. We have this extra belt here. So yeah, guys, and the cost of this is 8,000, guys. Yeah, the cost of this is 8,000, and yeah, guys, it's really pretty, and you can nicely carry it this way. Oh, sorry. Okay, it's really pretty, isn't it, guys? So yeah, guys, this is the bag. So guys, this is our new scooty. I hope you can see it, guys. It's in red color. Guys, that's the end of this video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell to get a notification whenever I post a video, and comment down below if you find any mistake in my vlogging, and I'll take the comments into consideration. Thanks for watching. Love for all. Bye bye.